Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're bringing you 6 actionable tips to boost your email opt-in rates. Our first tip is to say hey with a hello bar. Opt-in messages presented on a hello bar are unintrusive, static, and in direct line of sight of readers scanning your website. If your newsletter delivers great value and the copy on your hello bar reinforces that message, your readers are more likely to overcome the commitment fatigue that they have when faced with a new subscription decision. Tip number 2 is to try having a conversation with your website visitors. You can increase your email subscription with a little nudge from a live chat widget on your website. Most of us assume that chat is a support-focused tool that website visitors use only when they need to contact customer service. But you can also use chat to greet your website visitors and convert them into your email list subscribers. Tip number 3 is to make an impression with videos. Videos can be the best call to action to increase email newsletter signups, and videos can improve your email click rates by up to 300%. Videos are highly engaging because they are visual and easy to grasp. Tip number 4 is to have fun with pop-ups. Timing and value are key factors in creating engaging pop-ups. Offer incentives if you're running a campaign to drive subscriptions, or if it's an exit intent pop-up, offer to provide more information to overcome objections. Number 5 is to let your audience rein in control. Take this example from Ramit Sethi. Instead of inviting website visitors to subscribe to his email newsletter, he offers a quiz that provides value to their website visitors. At the end of the quiz, to get your results, you have to provide your email address. But at this point, people are already invested and much more willing to give their email address in exchange for the results. And finally, number 6 is to build credibility around your newsletter. Tim Ferriss from the 4-Hour Workweek has done an excellent job of this. By providing value Friday after Friday, he has hundreds of thousands of people on his list who not only are subscribed, but look forward to his email every week. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.